Welcome back to our channel. The 2026 Audi e-tron GT redefines what electric grand touring performance can mean. Building on its predecessors, this latest iteration introduces an expanded lineup, encompassing the entry-level Quattro, SE-tron GT, RS e-tron GT, and the track-focused RS e-tron GT Performance, each tuned for a distinct blend of power, range, and sophistication. Under the skin, the Quattro now serves as the accessible gateway to the range, offering 370 kilowatts of power under normal conditions, which spikes to an exhilarating 430 kilowatts when launch control is activated. Its WLTP-rated range climbs as high as 622 kilometers, thanks to a robust 105 kilowatt-hours battery, 97 kilowatt-hours usable. And on the fast-charging front, you can replenish roughly 285 kilometers of range in just 10 minutes using a 320 kilowatts DC charger. Stepping up, the S-trim delivers around 500 kilowatts of power and 717 Newton-meters of torque, improvements that actually surpass those of previous RS variants. The RS e-tron GT nudges output to around 630 kilowatts, 865 Newton-meters, while the RS Performance ramps it up even further to a staggering 680 kilowatts. A handy boost button mounted on the steering wheel unlocks an extra 70 kilowatts for 10 seconds, with a countdown visible in the digital cockpit, a thrilling feature borrowed from the realm of motorsport. Acceleration is neck-snapping across the board. The S hits 0 to 100 km per hour in just 3.4 seconds, the RS shrinks that to 2.8 seconds, and the RS Performance blasts to 100 km per hour in a mind-bending 2.5 seconds. Top speeds are similarly bold. The S caps at 245 km per hour, while the RS variants reach 250 km per hour. Despite the power gains, Audi engineers managed to lighten the battery pack by approximately 9 kilograms while boosting its energy density and net capacity to 97 kilowatt-hours. This, coupled with a two-layer cooling plate and optimized cell chemistry, yields superior efficiency, faster charging, and improved regenerative braking up to 400 kilowatts, up from the previous 290 kilowatts. Design-wise, the 2026 e-tron GT stays true to its low, sculpted silhouette while refining it across models. The single-frame grille now wears a closed, body-colored mask, with aggressive air curtains up front and a vertical fin diffuser at the rear. RS variants add honeycomb 3D masks, carbon accents, including an optional matte carbon roof, and special wheel designs including 20 and 21-inch Avis-style forged alloys. Step inside, and the cabin is a sophisticated blend of minimalism and luxury. Expect a flat-bottom steering wheel, topped and bottomed, with RS trims upgraded with red control satellites and a 12 o'clock marker. Seat configurations range from 14-way adjustable in the S, to 18-way with massage options in RS models, complete with serpentine green stitching if matched with the Bedford green exterior hue. Sustainable materials, including Dynamica microfiber, rich in recycled polyester, Cascade fabric, and Econol carpets, underline Audi's eco-premium intent. The digital experience is also elevated. The Audi Virtual Cockpit now surfaces critical EV metrics like battery temperature, real-time charging power, and even a preconditioning forecast. RS interiors offer special RS-style displays, including an all-white power and speed display in homage to the iconic RS2 Avant. Above, the panoramic smart glass sunroof can switch between clear and opaque at the touch of a button via PDLC tech, the digital curtain effect. On the dynamics front, air suspension with dual-chamber technology is standard, delivering a taut ride or plush cruising on demand. An available active suspension furthers this versatility, leveling the body, leaning into corners, and even lifting itself for easier access. Rear-wheel steering, too, improves low-speed maneuverability and high-speed stability. Custom RS drive modes, 1 rupee, 2 rupees, as well as a dedicated performance mode round out the driver's toolkit. Range and charging have also been dialed in. Under WLTP, the S delivers up to 558 kilometers, RS around 522 kilometers, and Performance about 528 kilometers. Back at the charger, rapid 10–80% replenishment still clocks in at around 18 minutes. In summary, the 2026 Audi e-tron GT lineup propels the electric grand tourer into bold new territory, elevating power, refining efficiency, and enriching luxury, all while offering a variant for nearly every performance and range preference. Whether cruising cross-country in comfort or unleashing instant torque at the track, the e-tron GT delivers Audi's vision of electric sophistication in high gear. Word count: approximately 710 words. Let me know if you'd like to adjust focus, perhaps lean more into design storytelling, tech deep dives, or even comparisons with rivals.